soldier isn't taking this contraption onto the variety stage. He's demonstrating the super light folding bike used by airborne troops. It's unfolded and fixed up in a matter of seconds. Let's have a look at it being manufactured. It's made by a famous firm that pioneered bicycles. And though it's only 20 pounds in weight, it's built like a gun. The machine was designed specially for use by the airborne arm. Hence, it can be folded into a small space. Reassembly is quick and easy. And light as it is, it's tough enough to be ridden over fields or any rough ground. The men and women on this job work with a speed which shows that they appreciate the importance that airborne troops will play in establishing the second front. Airborne soldiers get behind the enemy and can laugh at coastal defenses. Each bike is tested for trueness before it goes out. First-rate quality is combined with high output. The airborne arm is going to have all the bikes it wants. Now, manufacture of the containers that hold the equipment. These too have to be light and strong. They're dropped by parachute at the same time as the paratroops themselves. They're made of light sheet metal in two halves, which are checked with a template before being riveted onto the frame. There's nothing special or elaborate about the containers. Once the Army had decided what shape, size and weight was most suited to airborne requirements, manufacture went ahead at full speed. These containers have already proved to be just the thing for the job. All that's necessary now is to get enough of them as quickly as possible. Sprayed with paint, and they're ready for the invasion. One of the most interesting things the containers will hold is the folding motorbike. It looks like a toy, but it's a thoroughly practical job. No tools are necessary to rig it up for riding away. The manufacturer was required to design a machine weighing only 65 pounds, strong enough to stand the bump of a parachute drop, and sturdy enough to tackle the worst cross-country going. Here are some of the numerous parts each bike consists of. They're mostly of alloy steel. The required range of 100 miles govern the size of the fuel tank. In use, each tank is sealed under pressure, ready for a quick start when the bike reaches ground. The machines must be capable of carrying a total weight of men and equipment up to 300 pounds. They must have a maximum speed of 35 miles an hour and be able to climb hills of bad surface. That was a specification bordering on the ambitious, but the manufacturers achieved it. The engine, of course, is a two-stroke, a simple and very reliable power unit, lubricated by oil mixed with the petrol. One virtue of the very smallness of the machine is that it gives a low riding position and therefore maximum cover. Well, this is the first glimpse we've had of airborne equipment in manufacture. War Work News will return to the subject. The airborne arm is of paramount importance. The men and women who make the equipment know that they're giving the knockout blow to fascism and making freedom live.